Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that the painting The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh is rectangular in shape and it has a height of 29 inches and a width of 36.25 inches. We're told that a reproduction was made where each dimension is 1/3 of the original, right? So it's the same dimensions, it's just smaller. We're asked, based off this information, what is the height? What is this in inches for the reproduction? So if we have the original is 29 and the height and the dimensions are 1/3 of the original for this reproduction, all you have to do is literally just multiply 29 by 1/3, right? And you can just leave this as 29 times 1 is 29 over 3. This is going to be your final answer. And you can just leave it as that. You don't have to turn it into a decimal or anything. The height of the reproduction is 29 over 3 inches. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.